Man, I love gardening. One of my favorite things about gardening is getting up early in the morning to go and check your overnight growth. This garden's about, I don't know, about 3 weeks old. This bed, all seed. But I love just getting up in the morning and going to check my plants out, man. It's, I know, I think it reminds me of my grandparents, you know. Those are going to grow up the trellises. That's my cucumbers. Cucumbers. Boston pickling cucumbers, if I remember correctly. My tomato plants. Okra. Big okra. That okra took off. I don't know what was in this bucket. But this okra and that okra over there, it's the same time. But this one just, I don't know, man. 3 weeks old. And it just took off. That's a pepper plant. Poblano peppers. I prefer poblano peppers over bell peppers. It's just my thing. That's an orange bell pepper. I'll have to look him over. We might have another little caterpillar in there like we did last time. We had a couple of bites on the, but that is a sweet banana pepper. Can you see it? This is squash, cricket neck squash, another okra plant. This okra plant was planted at the same time as that okra plant. I don't know, man. Something about that one just took off. This is, in this bed I have watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew melon. I'm going to put a trellis here and try and grow it up so I could, not have to pull all of these up. But as you can see, some of them are not doing good. They might get snatched out anyway. But that's just growing from seed, man, You have to try and germinate way more than you need and just thin them out. It's just the process. Yeah, the garden's looking good this morning. These plants are a little light, a little yellow. So yesterday I came in, I put some more compost, some more cow fertilizer, and I gave it a fish emulsion, And I also put some sea kelp calcium in it because I believe that's why they're light. They're not getting enough calcium. You know what I'm saying? Nitrogen, calcium. So we gave them a little boost yesterday. They're starting to look better today. They're already standing up. You see all the tops reaching up to the sky? Tops reaching up to the sky. They're doing good. So we're going to see, But gardening, you're not going to be a perfect gardener. At least I've never met a perfect gardener. You're always going to lose some plants. Some things are going to do good. Some things won't. Right here we got some broccoli. We got some cabbage. We got some collard greens, although they're winter plants. As you can see, this morning is very cool. So we're still getting a little bit of cool weather. The other buckets, we got okra. I love okra. This little plant right here, this is eggplant. Now, when I used to be a vegetarian, I used to like to make lasagna out of eggplants. All of these are pepper plants. You got your another poblano. You got your Bonnie green bell pepper. That's another split off another plant. And that is red bell pepper. You can see these flies on these plants, right? That's because they got liquid fertilizer. That's a squash. That's a little beat up because I had to get some stuff off of it. But it'll bounce back. And that is orange, my favorite bell pepper there. But those flies are all there because yesterday, look at that. They just looked like they were asleep. You ever been able to knock a fly down like that? But anyways, I use that fish emulsion on there, so that'll attract flies. And I like to sometimes put that fish emulsion directly onto the plant leaves and give it a foliar feed. But anyways, I done talked to you guys enough. Y'all having a great day. It's a long video. But this is what I'm doing, man, right now. We're gardening. Y'all have a blessed day.